I hope you all have seen the 2 videos which I have sent last week about the window movie maker, and I hope you all have done the practical session of this, and you all have made happy your mothers, your fathers, your friends by making some movies in it. I think it's very interesting because in this we are using the photographs, we are using the video clips, and we can use our childhood photos, and we can make our videos so much interesting, and we can also add some titles in it and some special effects in this. So I think it will be very interesting for you. And those students who have not done the practical session, it's my request to them, please do your practical of it. Firstly, download the window movie maker from, it's a free downloading, it's a free software, free download software, so you can download it from the Google Chrome. You can search it and then you can download it, and after that you can use this. It's so much easy to use. By watching my videos step by steps, you can use it. Now I will just do the recap of this chapter, that what we have done in this chapter. That is, we have done about this. What is this? Window Movie Maker is a video editing software. In this, we can create a movie from your video clips, from your pictures which are already stored in your laptops also. And one thing, there was the storyboard and the preview monitor board. What was the storyboard? Storyboard was that is used to arrange and manage the video clips in the Window Movie Maker projects. On the right hand side, you have seen that there is a storyboard in which pictures you are selecting and which video clips you are selecting, that are shown there. Next is transitions. Transitions you can apply to make your videos more interesting. In this, when you are doing the transition from one picture to another picture, then the effects which is given in between these two pictures, that is known as the transition effects. Next is the title, captions and the credits that you can add as a text in your videos, which you want to write down, which you want to show. Next, you can use the trim tool, which is used to reduce the time duration of the video clip. Suppose it is of the 3 minutes, 4 minutes, but you want to reduce it up to 2 minutes, then there is the trim tool. By using the trim tool, you can reduce its time. Next, this supports various types of the audios and the videos. Now today, this was the recap of your Window Movie Maker chapter. Now I am going to start your bookwork of this chapter. In your bookwork, firstly there was a filling the blanks. Now we are starting our filling the blanks. I am going to teach you the filling the blanks. That is chapter 2 Window Movie Maker, filling the blanks, A, B, C. What was your first filling the blanks? It was Dash is a video editing software for Windows based computers. When you are using the Windows based computer, then what software you can use for the video editing? Most easy and user friendly software which we can easily use for editing our videos, that was the Window Movie Maker. Then the first answer is Window Movie Maker. Second is default extension of the Window Movie Maker project file is Dash. The default extension, for example, you are making any file in the Word, then the extension is doc. When you are making the Word files, whatever name you are giving to it, at last you will see that the extension is .doc or .docx. It differentiates that this is the Word file. When you are making some files in the Excel, then extension is .xls. It means this is a MS Excel file. Similarly, when there is a file stored in your computer, that is the Window Movie Maker file, video file, then that extension will be the WLMP. Next is dash. Dash and dash are used to add the text-based information to the movie. What are the three to use the text-based information? Text-based information means whenever you are making a movie, whenever you are going to see a movie, you see that in the starting there are some names that is shown, who are the heroes and who are the heroines of this movie. At last some names, yeah, some text information is given to you. So in this movie we can also add this. So we can use three options. First is title. Titles is used the name of the movie, you can give it. Title is used to give the name of the movie. Next is the credits. At the last you want to, at the end of the movie you want to give some text based information that will be come under the credits. And the third is the captions. Caption means whenever you are writing something about every picture. For example, when you are applying some status in your WhatsApp, then you are writing something at the lower of the status that this is my childhood photo, this is my birthday memories, yeah, all that. These captions you can also write it in this caption option in the window movie maker under every picture. Now the next fill in the blanks is dash represents the audio that is included in any project. In any project means that waveforms. Whenever you have seen who has the students who have done the practical, they can see that when you are inserting some audio in it, then the green color waveforms will be shown under the videos, under the pictures. There is the video and under there is the waveforms. In it means that यहाँ तक हमने अपनी ऑडियो अटैच कर दी है. For that is showing up to where there is waveforms is showing, it means up to that the audio is added. So which shows the audio, that is the waveforms. Next is dash is used to arrange and manage the video clips in your project. Here is, that is storyboard. Whenever you are adding some pictures and the audios, adding some pictures, videos and audio in it, then here right hand side there is the story pane, and here this is the preview pane at right hand side, and left hand side there is a storyboard. In its storyboard, whenever you are adding something, firstly it will be added there, and then you can change the numbering, you can change the you can inserting some transition in it. Then everything you can see which you have added, that you can see in the storyboard. Next, sixth is you can use dash options to gradually increase the volume of audio in the beginning. If you want to increase the volume of the audio, which I have already told you in my practical sessions, then which options you can use? Fade in option is used to increase the volume, and fade out option was used to gradually decrease the volume. So fade in option is used to increase the volume of audio in the beginning. This is all about your filling the blanks. Now we will move to our true and false of this chapter. Our next topic is true and false. First true and false is window movie maker can be downloaded for free. Yes, many times I told you it's a free software, so it is known as the freeware. You can freely download it. You need not to pay for downloading this software. You can search on the Google Chrome and then you can download it. You can download Window Movie Maker 7, Window Movie Maker 10 is with more advanced features also. Simply you can download Window Movie Maker 7. So this is true. Next is movie created on it cannot be shared online. I have told you, whenever you have made a movie on it, then you can share it on the YouTube, you can share it on the Facebook, on that social networking sites you can share it. So this is false. It is saying that we cannot share online, but I told you you can share it. So this is false. Next is Window Movie Maker allows you to add video clips to your project. Yes, it allows us to add the video clips, but does not support image files and the photos. No, it's truly wrong. It is truly false, because in this we can add the pictures, we can add the photos, we can add the images, and plus we can add the video clips. Then it will allows us it allows all these things, so it will be false. It is saying does not, so it will be false. Now the next true false is the D is you cannot add multiple visual effects on a single media files. It is true, it is false, because we can add multiple visual effects. Suppose there are the 6 pictures in your videos you have added, then in between 1 to 2nd pictures you can add a different visual effect, 2nd to 3rd. In between 2nd and 3rd you can add next visual effect, then 3rd and 4th you can add any other visual effects. So we can add multiple visual effects, and it is showing it is saying we cannot add, so then it means it will be false. Now next is Window Movie Maker auto saves the project so that the data remains intact in case of the power failure. I told you, whenever you have made some picture, whenever you have made some videos, after some time, after 2 to 3 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, it will be auto saved. You need not to again click on the save button to saving your projects. So it is automatically saved. If the power failure is, if there is a power failure, then your video made by you is automatically saved. So it is true. Next, it allows the users to directly download the music from online stores. Here is an option in your Window Movie Maker. Directly you can go there from the Vimeo. A Vimeo site is given, some 2-3 sites are given to you. From that you can directly download. If internet connection is on, then you can directly download the audio for inserting in your video. So it will be true. So I told you about the filling the blanks and the true false. Now we will move on to multiple choice questions. Now the MCQs are, first is dash are added at the end of the movie clips. What is added at the end of the movie clips? Starting we can add the titles, at the end we can add the credits, and captions we can write at, if we want to write some text on every picture and the videos clip, then that was the captions. And credits are at the end of the movie. If you want to write some text, that is known as the credits. Second is artistic, black and white, and cinematics are the types of. Which types are they are? They are the just visual effects. Between one picture to another pictures, if you are adding some visual effects, these are the different types of the effect. Artistic, black and white, and the cinematics. Now the third is next MCQs is dash is used to preview the project. At the storyboard, whenever you are adding some pictures and the video clips that are added in the storyboard, on the left hand side and on the right hand side there is the preview monitor, in which it will show the videos by adding some pictures and the videos, by adding some pictures and the video clips. So complete movie you can see in this preview monitor. You can preview it how it is made. Next is the title properties, like font size and the text color can be changed from where, if you want, if you are writing something in the title, in the credits, in the captions, then the font size and their colors, text color you can change by going into this format tab. Next is you can reduce the duration of the time. I told you we can use the trim tool to reduce the duration of a video. This is the trim tool. So we have done filling the blanks, true, false, and MCQs. Now we are going to move on application based questions. Now our application based question is, first is Bharti wants to create a 3 minutes long movie in a Window Movie Maker, and she has imported a clip in the Window Movie Maker which is about 4 minutes long. What should Bharti do to reduce the duration of a movie? In this question it is saying that Bharti has added a movie clip that is of the 3 minutes. That is of the 4 minutes, and he want to trim it. He want to make it only for the 3 minutes. Then what will he do? I told you when you want to reduce the duration of the video, then which tool we will use? Which tool? Many times I told you that tool was the trim tool. So the answer of the first question is trim tool. And the second question is, Amit is making a video from the pictures that he took during his last vacations with friends. Amit wants to write some description on each image while playing the video. How can he do that? I told you there are the three text-based options. First is title, next is captions, and next is credit. Title is used when you want to some text information at the starting of the video, and credit is used when you want to add some text-based information at the end of the video. And when you want to write something at each and every photographs and on your video clips, then we will use the caption option. Then firstly we will go on home tab and then we will click on the caption option. So the Amit can use the caption option if you want to write something at every photos. Next is answer 3 is Rashmi has just finished compiling a movie in the Window Movie Maker. Now she wants to directly upload the movie to her YouTube account. So what will he do? If you want to share your video on your YouTube, example, I am making this video for you, and if I have made this video, I have made in the in my mobiles, and after that I am adding this video clip in the Window Movie Maker. And if I want to share it on the YouTube for you, then directly I will go in home in then share group, and then I will click on the YouTube option. Then this will be automatically shared. So today we have completed the bookwork of this chapter 2, Window Movie Maker. I have teach you. I have taught you all things, filling the blanks, true, false, MCQs, and application-based program. I think that's all are clear to you. Still, if you are facing any problem or you are having any issue, you can contact me on my WhatsApp group. 1-2 students and send me the movie that they have made in Window Movie Maker on my WhatsApp. But which link they have shared, that was not opening. That was not opening, and it was very difficult for me to how I can see that movie. If it is made correctly, then best of luck for that. Very good. And now I am finishing this chapter. Tomorrow we will discuss the question answer of this chapter, and I will also send you the PDF of the bookwork and the question answer. And till then, have a nice day. Thank you.